Welcome back to Haulover Inlet and Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. And as we can see here, we got another rough day down at the inlet, which should make for an exciting video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the first round of this contest started. Our first round is going to feature a wob. Well, that doesn't fare well for the boats in the first round because wob means wet ass boat. Here comes this scarab rolling through the inlet, and I got a feeling we're about to see this vessel full of water if that's the case. But right here you can see they look okay so far, but they are getting a little nose heavy, and bam, there we have it, the free Haulover deck rinse, and now we've got a wob in the inlet. Right here they absolutely stuffed this bow. These guys got lucky. This is one of the better stuffs. I'm surprised they still have a windshield after that one, but they're definitely taking a loss in the first round for the boats. But don't worry, the boats are not going down without a fight, and they're going to pull one of their secret weapons out here in the second round, and that is going to be full send guy. That's right, we all know that guy who gets behind the helm of a boat and only knows one speed, and that is wide open throttle. Unfortunately, this is probably not the type of vessel that should be wide open throttle through Haulover, but you know what? This Cap's pulling it off anyway. I have to imagine the crew on this boat is begging Cap to slow down, but full send guy is not hearing that, and full send guy is also taking a win for the boats in the second round. In the third round, we're going to see us a rough rider. That's right, it is a rough day down at Haulover, and most of the boats are struggling, including this Midnight Express. As we can see here, they've already got water kind of going everywhere, and it's a slow, rough ride out. This is a 39-foot boat, but man, are they taking a pounding getting out of the inlet. This really is one of those days when I see these boats coming out that I wonder where these guys are going, where it's just so important that they had to come out of Haulover that day. Definitely not a place I'd want to be on a day like today, but I'm going to go ahead and give the win to Haulover in this round. Our next round is going to feature another Midnight Express. They do have a little advantage though, a little bigger boat, outboard powered. Also, they're coming with a following seat, which makes it just a little bit easier to run a little faster and have a little fun. But it also can increase the chances of stuffing that bow if you land wrong. But you know what? This one has no issues whatsoever coming through the inlet. Takes an easy win to the boats. And that will take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this week? And what in the world is a walk? I'm going to have to get with my editor on this one because I'm not sure exactly what that means. But we've got a sportsman rolling here out of the inlet, and let's see how these guys fare in the fifth and final round. Who will take the win? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? These guys are at a little bit of a disadvantage right off the bat because they've got kids in the bow of the boat with no life jackets on a rough day, and we all know I frown upon that pretty heavily. And we've got our first wave over the vessel, and these kids are taking an absolute pounding up there. This is not a good idea for these guys to be sitting up there, and another wave over the bow of the vessel. But at least I think I've figured out what a walk is now. He was referring to a wet-ass kid in the bow of this boat. Now, normally by our rules, this would be an automatic loss anyway with the kids in the bow of the vessel with no life jacket on, but I don't think in this situation it really even matters as the boat was going to take a loss in this situation anyways, and this round's going to go to Haulover, and Haulover's going to take the win. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos as well. And also our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, which features all the hilarity at the boat ramps around Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.